hard to believe that it's over 20 years now since we first established garage equipment as an equipment supplier. What started as garage equipment in 2003 has evolved into what Levanta is today. It's a truly remarkable journey we've had.
Our journey as a company has always been fueled by two key elements: innovation and a clear vision for the future. Today I want to talk about these elements and how they drive our supply chain and ultimately our growth from within. From how we source our materials to how we deliver our products and services, we're constantly looking for smarter and more efficient ways to operate. We are not only looking at the needs of today, but also foreseeing the needs of the future. This means investing in cutting-edge technologies, developing agile supply chains, and fostering a culture where innovation can thrive. Innovation isn't just a buzzword, it's embedded in everything we do.
The Levanta brand is very strong in the heavy vehicle equipment sector. At Levanta, we're not about just selling products. We're building a brand of quality, innovation, and bringing it directly to our customers. The success of Levanta here in Australia has given us confidence to expand our operation into New Zealand. And we haven't been able to do that without a clearly defined sales strategy and sales plan and a sales team that are 100% aligned with the sales strategy. This has enabled us to grow the business successfully and be able to deliver innovative products.
What truly sets us apart here at Levanta is how we approach every solution with our customers in mind. We don't just sell products. We build partnerships and long-term relationships. Our success is directly tied to the successes of those who trust us to deliver. And that's our responsibility for our team.
In the ever-evolving landscape of our industry, one thing remains constant: our unwavering commitment to building a high-performing team that drives sustainable growth. Our culture at Levanta is more than just words on a page. We're building something truly special here at Levanta, an organization where every team member is valued, where growth is not just expected but nurtured, and where a culture of collaboration and innovation propels us forward. As we look to the future, I'm confident that our high-performing team will continue to lead the way. To our team, our partners, suppliers, customers, and everyone who has been part of this journey, thank you. Thank you for your support, dedication, your resilience, and your belief in what we're building here. Let's continue to move forward with the same spirit, same drive, and the same commitment to excellence.
The last 20 years at Levanta has been quite a journey, but the best is still in front of us.